Let's take a tour of your new Google Classroom. Here I have my class name. I also have the class code, which is how students will enter my classroom. I can change the theme if I'd like to further customize the way that my classroom looks. In the stream, which is the landing page of my Google Classroom, I see an upcoming work section. When you set due dates on your assignments, students can get a quick view of what needs to be done and when right here. But the stream is really your communication hub. This space should be used to create and schedule announcements. You can customize what appears on this page for you and your students in the class settings. Next, we'll look at the Classwork tab. This is where you and your students will spend a majority of your time. Here's where you create, organize, and distribute assignments, questions, quizzes, and other class materials. You can add and view co-teachers, as well as add and view students in the People tab. In the Grades tab, you can view and update your gradebook if you'd like to utilize this feature. Let's customize some of our settings in the Settings gear. We can edit our class details at any time. Here's that class code again, where students can enter this code to join your classroom. And now let's take a moment to customize what shows up on our stream. Remember, the stream is your communication hub, so you can choose if students can post and comment on the stream, students can only comment, or only teachers can post and comment. I would recommend that you allow students to either post and comment or only comment on your stream. Classwork on the stream. What this means is that when you post an assignment in the Classwork tab, there will be a notification on the stream. You can customize this. You can allow the attachment and details of the assignment to be shown on the Classwork stream. You can allow condensed notifications that'll usually just say the title, or you can hide notifications. Personally, I like to hide notifications because this makes it really easy for kids to remember that the stream is for announcements and the Classwork tab is for classwork and assignments. We can further customize the grading feature in here as well. So I can click back here. I can remember to save my changes. And then how do I head back to my classroom? I can click right here on my class name. Now, what if I'm a classroom teacher in a bunch of different classrooms? I can click on these three lines, and here I see all the classes that I'm a teacher in under the Teaching tab. If I were a student, I would see the classrooms that I'm a student in right underneath here. If I click on this Home Classes page, this takes me back to my classrooms at a glance. I can click into any of my classrooms to view those, or I can click on the three lines again and click on the classrooms from here.